Can somebody tell me why is rumors trending on social media? Why? Can anyone tell me? This why has a long tail. Can you tell me? Eh? Rumors, different stories trending. We will create content nobody will watch, but rumors, phew, it don't fly. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And if you are new to my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. Yes, so if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned, kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload new videos like this. I normally upload new videos on weekly basis, so feel free to join the family. And remember, your thoughts is needed at the comment section down below. So continue watching and hope you enjoy watching. Yeah guys, to achieve this simple hairstyle, all you need to do is to just comb your hair, make sure your hair is smooth. Yeah, apply your conditioner on your hair. As you can see, just try to comb it and smooth it very well. It's just a very simple and easy hairstyle, quick to go. When you are in a rush to go out and your hair is looking tattered, you don't know what to do with your hair. I just come up with this kind of style, just a packing gel, just to apply a packing gel on your hair. Pack it, use your expression. You don't even need to braid it or do any much stuff on it. Just use your expression. As you can see, the way I'm applying my gel on my hair right now, yeah, to make it smooth and neat. Yes guys, I will just apply gel very well on my hair according to how I want it. Yes, but you must make sure your hair is flat, smooth, neat. Yes, that is if you want to enjoy the what's it called, guys? I'm nervous because of my baby girl drama queen, but that is by the way. Yeah, to make the packing gel. Yes, so continue watching and hope you enjoy watching. Guys, I'm always struggling to make a baby hair on my face. Yes guys, but this part is optional. Yes guys, so you can skip the part if you want. Yes guys, yeah, so continue watching as I'm styling the front side, trying to make my baby hair, trying to style my baby front hair. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I'm using expression. Yes, one pack and color one. So right now I'm just trying to pack the expression on my hair But to fix it inside my hair, you can see the expression is already having a rubber band that you can just use to fix on your hair. Yes, to hold it tight, as you can see. So the next thing, I will just pack the hair all around, you know, try to pack it to my taste. You can pack it one side, you can pack it anyhow you want, but this hair, I just grated it by myself. Just a simple style to go out. You know, the summer is just coming out gradually, so I'm just enjoying this summer. Yeah, guys, so that is it. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy watching, and feel free to tell me your thoughts at the comment section down below. Yeah, see you in my next video, guys. So continue watching. And so right now I'm using bobby pin to hold the hair tight, to hold the expression tight on my hair. Yes, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, you can see how simple and beautiful I'm looking. Yes, without no stress. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Somebody tell me, why is rumors trending on social media? Why? Can anyone tell me? This why has a long tail? Can you tell me? Rumors, different stories, trending. We will create content nobody will watch, but rumors, phew, they don't fly.
Yo.